Hello everyone, my name is José de la Rosa. I'm a gastronomic scientist and manager of the Food Alchemist Lab. Right now we are live from Bologna at the Future Food Living Lab in connection with a testimonial chef from Portugal celebrating Tavira, emblematic community for the Mediterranean diet. Let's go to Portugal with the chef Pedro Moura.
Hi everyone, my name is Pedro. I'm Portuguese from Porto and I have a restaurant here called Panda. For me, the Mediterranean diet is related to the tradition and that my mother and my grandmother transmitted to me. And in our case, living in the north of Portugal, by the sea, we are lucky to have a exceptional mix of seafood, fresh vegetables and high quality meat that come from the interior. So for me the most important thing is always buy local products, respect the season and I respect the product when you are cooking and when I'm working on it. So what I bring here today, it's a very simple dish but very typical from the north of Portugal and from Galicia, Spain too. And it reminds me my childhood, sitting at the table of my mother's house on a Sunday afternoon with all my family, sitting together, drink some wine and sharing the meal. That is very important for us too. So the thing that I bring today is octopus, potatoes, garlic, thyme, cilantro and some greens, and of course, very important, olive oil. Here we have the boiled octopus and boiled potatoes, and to begin that we just give a little punch to the potatoes, as we call it here, punch potatoes. Then I boil some garlic here in the olive oil. And then put the octopus, thyme and garlic. You do the same thing with a punch inside. That's it. A little bit of black pepper and sea salt. Not too much. And it's ready to hang it in the oven and 15 minutes. And it's ready. The greens I just salted with some olive oil and garlic. On the end we just put some fresh cilantro leaves and ready to eat. So this is the final result. Never forget to pair with a proper Portuguese wine from here, from Douro. And the last advice that I could tell to you is just buy local, support the local producers. Because it's much more eco-friendly, at the end it's much more tasty. So let's finish the dish. The crispy garlic on top, some cilantro leaves, and that's it. Cheers!